This is a 2012 Chevy Silverado. I got a 3-inch leveling kit in the front, no blocks in the back, and 35 mud wraps. I thought about doing paint match front bumper, but I haven't decided yet. And I also haven't decided on what exhaust because it's stock right now. I got the Go Light offline somewhere and the whip off of Amazon. And I also got the leveling kit off Amazon. I got 5% on all the back, 20% on the front 2 windows, and a 5% 8-inch strip on the windshield. Here's the interior. And I need to get subs, I ain't got no subs.